Hello, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a complete series of how to use the suspended chord. In this lesson we're going to be using the B, key B as our reference point. Alright, so in this case we're going to be learning about the suspended sus2 or suspended second or 2 and then the suspended fourth. Now this is the scale of the B. So these are note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. We're going to be using a progression 1, 5, 6, 4. But in this progression, you're going to be using only the suspended chords, so that you know how to use your suspended chords in, playing your songs. So in playing the suspended, we'll be starting with the sus2. Now the sus2 is made up of notes 1, 2, and then 5. Now your normal triad is going to be 1, 3, 5. This time around we're playing only the 1, 2, 5. So on the left hand I'm playing a simple chord. 6, 4. 1, 5. That's one way that you can play it. Only the sus2. Alright. Now we have the sus4 also. Now the sus4 is this is my chord 1. I'm playing a added ninth to it. 1, 3, 5. I'm adding the 2 to it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5. Now in this case, this is my triad, and then this is my fourth note. This note. So I'm going to be playing like this before I move to the chord 1. So you play like this before you hit this note, the E flat. Alright, so let me play a second one before I add the suspended 4 to it. So I'm still on the sus2. Now you can play like this with adding the third note to it. Or your sol, your la, or your 6, or the 4th, or the fa. Yeah. So this is a combination of my sus2 and then my added ninth. Alright, so that's another progression. Now let's go to another progression, which is the final one for this lesson. I'm going to be playing 1, 6, then 4, then I move to the 5. Alright, so this time around I'm going to be adding the suspended chord, the sus2. Now if you're moving to chord 5 with your sus2, you only slide your thumb to the B flat to get your 5th chord or your sol chord. Alright, so I'm playing the suspended 2 and then the suspended 4. So this is how I'm going to be playing the 1, 6, 4, then my 5, then 5, my suspended before I come to the chord 5. Now you can play it in any other key. So if you're watching this and you're not familiar with B, any key that you're playing it, if it's in C, this my suspended chord, then this my suspended 4. Same way if I were to play it in C sharp or D flat, this is going to be. Then, so it doesn't matter which key you're going to be playing it in, but you have to understand the theory and how to convert other keys and play it. So your suspended 2 or your sus2 is 1 2 5, and then your sus4 is 1 4 5. Before from here, then it resolves to the third note in the key that you're playing. 1 2 3. All right. So now, in short, suspended chords are chords that want to resolve. It wants to land, cool down on a chord, but you can also leave it the way it is, depending on how you want it. For example, there's this song, you are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other reaches to me. Now I just left it. Most of the times when you are moving to 5, it resolves to the 5, or you can leave it depending on the song. So you would have to play around with different songs and then see how it is. So don't forget, you can be playing only this your added 9th, this sus4 back to the added 9th, sus2 with this. So alright, so this is for your suspended chords. I believe this tutorial should help you. If you have any question, put it in the comment below and I'll read it and then get back to you. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to like and share this video.